Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your name on your Airbnb account. Without any further ado, let's get started. At the bottom of your screen, tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal Airbnb dashboard where you can manage all your account settings and preferences. Once you're in your profile section, tap on Account Settings. This is where all your important account information is stored, including your personal details, security options, and payment methods. Now, tap on Personal Information. This section contains all your identifying details that Airbnb has on file, including your legal name, email address, and phone number. You'll need to wait a moment while the page loads completely. This ensures all your current information is properly retrieved from Airbnb's servers so you can make accurate changes. After everything has loaded, look for the Edit button beside legal name and tap on it. This option allows you to modify how your name appears on your Airbnb profile, which is important for bookings and verification purposes. Now you'll see fields where you can input your first name and last name. Go ahead and enter your updated name information exactly as you want it to appear. Make sure to double check the spelling since this is your legal name that will be used for reservations and identity verification. Once you've entered your new name correctly, tap Save and Continue. This will submit your changes to Airbnb's system and update your account with your new name information. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name on your Airbnb account. Your new name will now appear across all your bookings and communications on the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.